first, what you want to do, open the hood, which is located under here, right under the middle of the seat. Open the hood, there's a latch, go this way, and it goes up. So what you want to do first, go underneath and pop this back so you can get access to the radiator. And this part, what you want to do is just pull on it. There's 3 of them. 1, let's get this one first. Just like that. Just like that. Now you have access. There's one more in there. To get this one out, just use a screwdriver, flathead. Either pull it from here or pull it from here. Just pry it. Like that. So this is loose. Now we got access to drain this bolt. If you want to have better flow, open the cap, but make sure you have rag over in case if it's hot. Okay, what you want to do is pry this up with the screwdriver on both sides. And then grab this. Side, pop it off. This, then go on the other side. See.
Turn it, put this up.
What you want to do is take this off by taking some bolts off. Grab a 13mm. Start it with the wrench and then one more over here. So what I got in here is this thing. I believe it's the middle one, not too small, not too big. It's like 3/8. And to adjust the belt, you just shove it in there. It's a special hole in there for it. And go in there. It's nice to have a longer one. You probably use a short one. This is to adjust the belt. change the belt, loosen it, but go towards tighten it, and get either crescent wrench, or if you have that tool, I can't remember what number, and you just go clockwise this way. If you won't go, just tap it with something, but mine looks like it's going easy. Just like this, and hold this with this hand this way to push them, so it's tightened the belt, and it holds that, and that comes off. So now once it's loose, you can go with the finger, spin the fan. Oh shit, won't spin it with it. Try it again. Once it's loose, you can do it by hand. There we go. And it might drop, so make sure nobody's underneath. I'll go careful, I'll hold the fan so it doesn't drop the blade, just like that, and there you go, it's loose now. It doesn't want to let me because the fan is loose there, so you want to probably take the fan out first. Take this, pop it off just like that, get this out of the way, and that should be able to go up. Once that's off, you can just pick this up, and there you go. So what you want to do is grab a tensioner, loosen the tensioner to take the belt off, to go this way, and the belt is loose. Take the belt off. Make sure you know how it goes, how you took off the belt before you take it off. And then take these off, 1, 2, 3, big one, 2 small ones. Take them off, grab some pliers. Make sure you have something underneath to catch some rust over of the coolant. That should be good. Take this belt one off. Make sure you don't rip it. Make sure you don't take it off too quick because it might splash all over, so slowly. Make sure there's nothing there. It's good. Now this one, same thing.
Back and forth. Same thing, slow. Just some leak. Take the big one off as well.
So what you want to do is extension 13mm. They take all the bolts off that you need. Make sure you know where they go, or take one by one out and put into the new one. So what you want to do is loosen. I'll show you in a minute how I do it. This bolt, let's say this one and this one. Take it off one by one. So this one, because they're different sizes, some of them. You grab a new one so you have it closer by you. And this one goes right in here. See the sensors right here? Goes right there, and it sits like this, and let it down somewhere on the ground and just put them one by one, like just like that. So to take the sensor off, there's one right here. You take a flathead screwdriver, the red piece right here, just slowly, lightly pry it up, and that just goes up. And then take a screwdriver, just lightly pry it here, and it's supposed to come off.
There's one underneath.
Make sure you have a pin underneath to catch the leftover water. And before you take all the bolts out, you probably want to take this off. I use 5/8, so just in case. But you can probably take it off later, I'm not sure. Take this off.